Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word file into PDF on laptop. Now this is going to be a simple tutorial and I'm going to show you how to get that done. So as of the moment I have this particular Word document right here. Say for example this is an article that I'm working on and I want to submit this one in PDF. The way that we're going to do that is head over to File right here and then we can go ahead and click Save As. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and click this one, choose PDF, enter the file name here. Say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and put here sample file, and then you can go ahead and basically click the save here, and it's going to save where it is located as of the moment. Or you can go ahead and click more options right here in order for you to basically look through where you want to save this in terms of your file or folders here in your PC. So if I'm gonna go ahead and click save, for example, what's gonna do is it's gonna open automatically in either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So yeah, that's how you're going to convert Word file into PDF here in laptop.